Don't you ever let your steam press iron, any kind of heat source that you use for your clothing, get this dirty. It will make your white fabric yellow. So now we are cleaning it with some iron cleaner, and hopefully it comes off, because this is months and months of it looking like this.
It absorbed the water. It's like a duck. The water just runs off.
Yeah, calico gets dry quickly as well. This is what happens when foam has been heat treated. So I've had this steam press for like 4 years now, so it's been used pretty well. I probably will have to replace this foam cover as well as the cover cloth, because that one is dirty. This is the result of using a dirty steam press iron. You can see how yellow it made the white fabric on the wrong side and completely blackened it on the right side. So always keep your tools clean. Tools are there to make your life easier, but if you do not take care and do maintenance, you will end up with a situation like this. That kept me up until 5 o'clock in the morning. I did things last minute and I was rushing to use tools that were dirty. And this is what the press cloth looks like. See how dirty it is. If you can see. Let's see. Yep.
Okay, let's go.
Alright. Shiny, 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 shiny.